There you go. Now it's recording, Dad. You can say hi. I'm going to email this to Marlena.
Hi, Marlena.
Marlena.
Say hi, Marlena.
Aunt Marlena. You still awake yet? Hey, Caleb. Say hi to Aunt Marlena. Say hi, Aunt Marlena. Is that?
Hey, she was looking at you instead of him. You gotta watch where you're going.
Then I put my foot up to here and
What happened?
Remember, don't run in.
I'm gonna send this to Aunt Marlena. Can you say hi, Aunt Marlena?
Say hi.
Say hi.
Can you say? Go ahead.
Yeah, say hi,
Hi,
Marlena.
Lana.
You say it, Sissy?
Say hi. Sissy, say hi, Aunt Marlena.
I can't see her.
Oh,
Well, now
you can't see her.
'cause they're gonna send. She's gonna send it to them. I mean, he's gonna send it to her.
Okay, let's see you guys go.
Go, go.
Love you.